Okay, in this video, I'm going to be doing a line and wash using inks. And for the supplies I'm going to be using, this is a hard lead pencil, HB, I believe, the hardest lead you can get. But use whatever supplies that you have for this project. I'm using some marbling ink. This ink is not waterproof, but I've used it in my sketchbook before, and I use it a lot like watercolors. This ink, this carbon ink, is waterproof, and I use this for my line work. And you can either use that or just a regular ballpoint pen. Use what you have, and I'm going to walk you through this. For the reference image, I'm going to be inserting it here. If you would like this image, jump over to Vecteezy. I have a reference link down in this description. It has a lot of free images to use. This image in particular is a free image, so you can either go over there and download the image yourself, or if you don't want to do the line work, I will be offering that as a free digital download on my website if you sign up free for the email. All right, let's get to it. So first, I'm sketching in my line work. If you need to erase, I recommend a kneaded eraser if you can, because that's not going to interact with our ink in any way. Okay, I don't like this line here. So go ahead and get your pencil lines done. And then I am going to ink these. Here, I want that to come down just a little bit. Separate it from that back there. Alright, so that's our distant bushes, and here is our bank. Right back in here. Okay. I'm going to use my dip pen, and I've decanted some of my ink into a little well that I like. But like I said, use what you have. I'm ready to let the ink totally dry before I come in with my kneaded eraser, and then I'm going to erase the lines, and then I'll be back. And so first I want to start off by taking and mixing up a nice orange. put some color in here and my little bells. This one's going to be my orangey color. This will be my yellow. I'm going to add just a little bit over here, just for some. First I want to get my colors laid out. And these, like I said, I just tend to use these like I do watercolor. The thing about washes is you can be as detailed or as loose as you want to be. That's the great thing about already having your line work in there. I'm just going to add some water in there to it. I could use a little pipette, but that's okay. I'm going to thin that down quite a bit because this is pretty powerful color-wise. So I'm going to start very light at first and get me a very light wash in there. did another layer on the water, and I think I am happy with the results, this little study. So let me know in the comments what you think about using inks in this way. Have you tried it? And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.